Alright everybody, if you don't know Brandon's truck already, that means you don't watch my videos. So we got a 2014 Silverado 1500. We did the 8-inch super lift on it, custom painted that, and then we've got the 24x14 Tally Summits polished on some 35 1350 amp NTs. Today we're going to be putting a 12-piece rock light kit on this truck. I'll have all the links down in the description of where you can buy this kit. I don't remember the name of the company that sent this out. Let's see, Blee Auto, something like that. But we got a 12-piece white kit that we're gonna be wiring up on here. We're gonna do 2 in each wheel well, and then 2 underneath the truck, and possibly in the future put some more on here. But since this was sent out, figured we'd get it put on Brandon's truck. So we got to drop all the carpet fender liners out of all 4 sides, get the rock lights mounted. And since this is not my first rodeo, I had ordered this type of wiring to actually do the rock lights, because I've got some rock lights over here for the Ford, but never got around to putting them on. And so I had ordered this wiring. This wiring will make it so much easier. You just run this all the way around the truck, mount it up with your connectors, and I've got some switches somewhere in my mess over here. We really need to organize this, but I've got some switches, so we'll put a switch inside, have the wire and everything go to the switch, and we should be set. So we're gonna get into pulling everything apart and start getting everything mounted. I'll show you guys the process.
Lots of screws, lots of screws. That's one thing GM did not skip out on, it was screws.
Big enough?
Nope, she ain't open enough. I'll have to make her a little bit, stretch her out a little bit. Oh
yeah. Welcome to Lake County.
Cross thread is always better than Loctite.
I mean, not wrong. Just hope you never have to take it apart.
How'd you get so good with your fingers?
Alright, so we popped this grommet up right here, ran the wire in there, and right now Brandon is mounting the switch down here inside the center console, trying to hide it so people don't see it. And we're gonna run the wire into that, and then run the wire from here, go all the way around the truck. Got 2 rock lights right here. Run it up into here, up around here, down across the back, then back up on this side, all the way around up through here, across the front, and back over here. That way, if he ever wants to add any rock lights on in the future, if he wants to put like 2 up here in the front, 2 in the back, and anywhere else, the wire's already ran. All he has to do is splice into it. Doesn't have to run any new wire. It's already done. Save you some time. And this wire right here makes a big difference because it's already got the negative and the positive. So all you have to do is just ground it out and run the positive to the switch, and you're set. Because then you have to run the positive from the switch back to the battery. You're all good. So we're gonna get all this ran, and then show you guys the finished product.
Let me call and say hi real quick.
All right, so we got Brandon's truck all set up. We've got the rock light in each wheel well. We've got 2 underneath of it right here. We've got 2 in this wheel well. 1 right there, and then 1 right there. And we went ahead and ran the wire all the way around like I was telling you guys. That way if he ever wants to add more to it, we can. And we got it ran to the switch inside. Let me see if this truck is unlocked. So his switch is right down in here. Let's see if we can turn it on for you guys. So as you can see the light lighting up right there, that turns it on. Wires come through the firewall and go into the carpet right there. And let's pop his hood. We've got wire coming out right here, and then it's wire loomed, ran all the way across over here directly to the battery, just like that. It's a nice, clean, simple install. We'll have to put a relay or something on that way if anything ever happens, but it is ran to the switch, so you can turn it on and off and everything like that. But rock lights are all set, and just a little extra in the video now. We're gonna be doing the exhaust on my buddy's 06 2500. Got a Cummins in it, and he's got some MBRP exhaust, and we're gonna be going from the catback. It's catback exhaust straight pipe with the muffler delete and everything. So we're gonna get that all set up on here, get some sound clips of that, and then we'll close the video out. Where are them rock lights at? Just now a little tad bit dark out here. Reach down in here, pop that little switch on. And it's not gonna hit any cars. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. Lights up the color of the lift right there. And like, I mean, it's not completely dark out here yet, but oh yeah, that looks good. So like I said, there will be a link for these down in the description. We're still working on Trevor's exhaust over here. We're gonna have to get another extension piece because we ended up deleting his cat right there on the ground. So we deleted his cat, and then we're doing the 5-inch because it goes from 4-inch to 5-inch, and we're doing 5-inch all the way through. But this kit isn't designed to do a cat delete, but we wanted to do it, so now we have to still get another like 30-inch section of 5-inch, and then we can go over the axle and out the side. So we'll probably finish that in a future video, but we'll throw up a couple sound clips of it. But damn, this looks good.
I gotta wash the lift.
Yeah, I know. Now you gotta keep it clean underneath there. Now, like I said, we ran the wire across the front here and across the back. So if in the future he wants to get some rock lights to shine down here on the front and hit that front drop bracket down there to get some light on that, because right now it's just in the wheel wells and on the sides, but we did run the wire here in the front. So if we get like a 4-piece kit or something in the future, or even like an 8-piece, and we could run 2 right here, 2 in the center, 2 in the back, or whatever, and completely turn this bitch into a UFO, we can do it. But for the time being, we've got pretty good light output all the way across. There's not really any dead zone right through here except for that one little shadow right there. But like I said, it's still not completely dark out here, so I mean, once it's completely dark, we might have even better light output. But definitely looks good. Got some light down here on the painted lift blocks, the Bilstein shocks. Looking good. So time for some B-roll. Alright, so this is an 06 2500, and it's stock downpipe to cat delete and just basically dumped right at the beginning of it. Woo! God dang. Yeah, it's a little loud.
A little bit.
Just a little bit loud.
Sounds like a V4.
Yeah, a little 4-cylinder. A little 4-banger. Just a little.
Fucking Prius.
Yeah. Just a straight pipe Ford Ranger, that's all it is.
Yeah.
God, that sounds good. Alright, so there is your sound clips of the stock downpipe with the 5-inch straight pipe Cat Delete on the 06 2500. We got Brandon's truck, all the rock lights finished up on it out there. Looks absolutely fantastic. So like I said, I'll have a link down to where you can buy the rock lights down in the description. I don't get any commission, I don't get any type of benefits, anything like that, but they are bright rock lights. They're a very good price, and I mean honestly, like there's people out there charging like $100+ for like 4-piece kits and everything. This is a 12-piece kit, not a bad price whatsoever for it. So guys, even if anything, just go check it out. If it's not what you're wanting, anything like that, at least you looked. But go down, click the link in the description, check it out, and I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't already, while you're down in the description, drop a like on this video, and if you're watching this, you haven't already, I am obligated to say that 93% of my viewers are not subscribed. So it doesn't cost you anything, doesn't hurt you. You don't get a monthly subscription or anything like that, or like a payment, anything. Just go down, hit the subscribe button, let YouTube know that I'm not like complete trash, I'm just like half trash. So if you guys would like to like let YouTube know like I'm not just like complete full white trash, I'm just like partially white trash, you guys can hit that subscribe button, and then you guys will get to see more of just stupid truck content that I post all the time. So doesn't hurt anybody, helps me out, and catch you guys in the next one. See ya.